In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram error flood wait free quickly and safely. This message usually means Telegram has temporarily limited your actions because too many messages, button clicks, or API requests were sent in a short period of time. The good news is that this is normally a temporary restriction and you can resolve it without reinstalling Telegram or changing your account. If this guide helps, please tap the like button, subscribe for more practical Telegram tutorials, and let's get started. When Telegram displays flood wait free, the number 3 generally indicates that you should wait at least 3 seconds before trying the action again. However, to be safe, waiting a few extra seconds is better than retrying immediately. During this waiting period, stop sending messages, avoid clicking the same button repeatedly, and do not refresh or repeat the request. Simply pause and allow Telegram's timer to expire. The first step is very simple. Stop the action that triggered the error and wait for at least 3 seconds. In some cases, wait 5 to 10 seconds instead, especially if the error appeared after several repeated attempts. Do not try to bypass the restriction by opening the same chat repeatedly or pressing the button again and again. Telegram needs time to process the temporary limit, and additional requests can cause the restriction to last longer. Once the waiting period has passed, try the action only once. For example, if you were sending a message, send one message and wait to see whether it goes through. If you were using an inline button, click it once. If you are making an API request, send a single request and check the response before continuing. This controlled approach helps confirm that the temporary limit has ended. A common mistake is instantly retrying after seeing the error. Even though the wait time may look very short, repeatedly pushing buttons or refreshing the page can reset or extend the restriction. Avoid rapid retries, repeated taps, and multiple browser tabs performing the same action. The safest solution is to wait, retry once, and then continue slowly. If you are using a Telegram bot, script automation tool, or API integration, the problem may happen because requests are being sent too quickly. In that case, the long-term solution is to add a delay between requests. For example, your program can sleep for a few extra seconds after each request before sending the next one. A built-in rate limiter can also control how many messages or API calls are made within a specific period. The exact delay depends on what your bot is doing, but adding a few seconds between actions is a useful starting point. You should also avoid sending large batches of requests at the same time. Instead, process them one by one, add a pause between each request, and monitor Telegram's responses. If Telegram returns a flood wait value, your script should pause for at least the number of seconds provided, preferably with a small safety margin, and then retry only once. For example, an automation workflow should follow this pattern. Send one request, check the response, wait when necessary, and then continue. It should never run an unlimited loop that instantly retries after an error. An unlimited retry loop can repeatedly trigger the same restriction and may create longer limits. Adding proper delay logic makes your bot more reliable and helps protect your account from unnecessary rate limit errors. If you are not using automation and you still see flood wait free, close any repeated actions and wait a little longer than the display time. Check whether multiple devices, browser tabs, or connected applications are performing actions on the same account. Once everything has stopped, try again carefully. In most cases, this is enough to solve the problem. So, to recap, when you see Telegram flood wait free, stop sending messages and stop clicking buttons. Wait at least 3 seconds or slightly longer and then retry only once. Never spam the action while the timer is active because repeated attempts can reset or extend the restriction. If you are running a bot or script, add delays, use a rate limiter, and handle Telegram's wait response properly. That's how to fix the Telegram error flood wait free safely and prevent it from happening again. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips, bot tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.